Alright guys, we have a problem on the board. Find the value of x if root 2 divide x plus root 2 is equals to 1 divide x minus root 2. Our solution would be, first we want to what? Cross multiply. So this will come and times this, so I have root 2 multiply x minus what? Root 2, which is equals to this will times this. So 1x plus root 2. That's our first step. So if we multiply this time, this is x root 2 minus this will times this again. So we have root 2 times root 2. 1 times this is still this. So if we simplify, this is x root 2 minus this will give us what? Root 4, which is still 2. And this is x plus root 2. So from the problem, we can see that we can collect like terms since we have x here and x here. So I have that x, okay, root 2 minus 2. Let me write the equation again. X plus root 2. So if I take this across, so I have as root 2 plus 2. So here I have what? X root 2. If we bring this has a positive side. If I bring it here, so it's minus x. So what's common here? X is common. So if we bring out x, we have x root 2 divided by x minus x over x. Will give us what? Root 2 plus what? 2. So x cancels out x cancels out x, 1, 1, 1, 1. So we are left with x bracket root 2 minus 1 equals to root 2 plus 2. So at this point, what do? We are going to divide through by what? X root 2 minus 1. We are going to divide through by this. So if I do that, we are left with what? X is equals to root 2 plus 2 divided by root 2 minus 1. But from this point, what do we do? Now we are left with x is equals to root 2 plus 2 divided by root 2 minus 1. But we don't leave this like this. Now the conjugate of root 2 minus 1 is, you write the same thing, changing the sign to plus. Now we are going to rationalize. That's the principle of Surds, rationalize. If we are to rationalize that, we have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by this conjugate. So root 2 plus 1, root 2 plus 1. So this is what we have left. Now x will be, this will times this and this. So root 2 times root 2 is root 4, which is still 2. Root 2 times plus 1 is plus root 2. Now this will times this and this. So plus root 2 times root 2 is plus 2 root 2. Plus 2 times plus 1 is plus 2. And what about the denominator? This will times this and this. So if I do that, root 2 times root 2 is root 4, which will still give us 2. Alright, root 2 times plus 1 is plus 2 plus root 2. Yeah, plus root 2. Now minus 1 will times this, which is minus root 2. Minus 1 times what? Plus 1 is what? Minus 1. So from this, alright, from this that we have, we can collect like terms. So x will be, I have a root 2 plus what? 2 root 2. Those are like terms. Plus, we have 2 and 2. So 2 plus 2, which are like. What about this? Plus root 2 minus root 2. This will give us what? 0. So we are left with just 2 and what? Minus 1 at the denominator. So x is equals to, there's 1 here. So 1 plus 2 root 2. 1 root 2 plus 2 root 2 will give us, okay, let me write it, 1 root 2 plus 2 root 2 plus, this is 4, divided by 2 minus 1 is what? 1. So my x will be, these are like them, so we'll treat it like algebra. 1 plus 2 here is going to give us 3. Then we'll keep the root, what? 2 plus 4 divided by 1. So this is our answer to this question. Hit the like button, subscribe, and watch out for more videos.